everybody, I am so excited to share my haul from Simon Says Stamps. So I purchased a few things and I normally don't get the card kit from Simon Says Stamp. I have purchased a couple things here and there from their card kits, but never the full kit. I just decided, you know what, this month I'm going to get the full kit. I absolutely love it. I love the stamp set. I love the papers and I just decided to do it. So I also purchased a couple other things, and I'll share that after the card kit. But before I get into the kit, if you could do me a huge favor, first give this video a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below letting me know if you purchase the subscription to the card kit for Simon Says Stamp or any other card kits. I want to know if you feel that it's worth it, or if you find that you just aren't using the products in the subscription box. All right, I am going to first start with the stamp, and I'm sorry for my raspy voice. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just barely finding time to do this video for you guys. All right, so I love the sentiments on here, and I know that I have a hard time with people and also little critters and things like that, but she doesn't have a face, so it didn't really intimidate me. So I think that when I purchase a stamp set and I don't end up using it, I think it's the face that really intimidates me. I don't know what it is, whether it's on a person or a little critter. And so she's hiding behind this cute umbrella, and there's lots of really fun sentiments as well, uplifting sentiments. Follow the rainbows. You are my rainbow every single day. Don't lose hope. Brighter days are coming. Thinking of you. You look fabulous even when it's raining. So really, really cute. All right, next is going to be the paper. We're going to flip through them really quickly. They are so fun and bright and colorful. As you could see, they are 6x6 and they have a really smooth finish. They're not like regular cardstock. They almost have like a, not a sheen, but you know what I mean. It has something on top of it. All right, so there's two sides. Love the hearts and then the rainbows, of course. Look at that. Love this one because it has like the splatters and stuff on it. And this one is one of my favorites as well. Really, really fun. And then this side. This is going to be hard because I don't know which side to use. I probably should have purchased extra paper, but you know, I didn't. So I'm going to have to choose. I love all of these though. Super fun. I love this one too because they got like splats on there. And this one too. Really, really fun. All right, so that's the paper. And then the ink is these little cubes. I only have the black Simon Says Stamp ink. I don't really use a lot of dye inks. I think this is dye ink. Oh no, it's a hybrid ink. So yeah, well, we'll see how it works out. All right, so this color is apricot, stone, mint candy, and steel blue. And I love the little cubes because they don't take up that much space, and you can purchase more colors. If you don't use a lot of ink, then it's good to purchase the smaller cubes. All right, next is a stencil. And I didn't know that it came with a stencil, but I really love this one. I do have another, I think it's from My Favorite Things. It's a cloud stencil, you know. But it's really nice to have a variety because clouds are unpredictable and they vary in shape and all of that. So that's nice. All right, next is some watercolor panels here for some cards. So this has rainbow with hearts, peace, love, and happiness. This one's so cute. Abby's probably going to want to color that one. It says, Hello Spring. This one says, Count your rainbows, not your thunderstorms. It has a rainbow with some clouds and the hearts. So cute. And this one is so adorable. The little raindrops are little hearts. How cute is that? All right, next we have some really nice envelopes. Got white and blue. All right, in the cardstock, we got blue, white, purple, another white, and this really bright pink. And then it comes with this inspiration sheet. And I love that it tells you who made the cards. So this is a card that I saw on YouTube. So if you want to check her out, I believe it's on the Simon Says Stamp YouTube channel, but you could probably find her maybe on YouTube as well. But yeah, that's the card that I saw. I was like, I need this card kit. All right, so next I purchased a set of colored cardstock. So when I'm making cards, I find myself wanting to mount, so like say this is my card panel, I want to mount it on another piece of colored cardstock, and I don't have a lot of colored cardstock. And the ones that I do are textured, so I really like that these are smooth and they're not textured. That way I can stamp on it if I want to. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to purchase a whole set of colors. So I love that. So let me show you guys really quickly. Got red, yellow, orange, blue. I don't know about these really, really bright colors, but some of them are really pretty. Green, like this blue is super pretty. And then we got green. And I believe this is black. Then we have brown. And I will have all of the links listed down below so you guys can check it out. Oh no, this is black. I wonder what that other color was. I don't know. We got this beautiful blue, pink, this color. Got navy, like a minty, then pink, another orange, pale yellow, gray, purple. This is like a stone gray. Sorry, I don't even know if I'm in frame here. And then this is like a darker gray. So lots of fun colors. I don't know if I'll use all of them, but I'm sure Abby will get some use out of them if I don't use them. All right, and then they sent me a freebie. I believe this is a freebie because I don't think I purchased this. Fine Detail White Embossing Powder, which I'm excited to try out because I am obsessed with the Ranger Superfine Embossing Powder. So I'm wondering how this one is going to do. All right, so this next product, I thought it was the new design, but it's not. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it, give it away. I don't think I want to hassle with returning it, although it is super expensive. And you guys know that I absolutely love my Tim Holtz stamp platform. So purchasing the Misti was a big step for me. I honestly felt guilty purchasing the Misti because I just absolutely love Ranger products, and I actually have 2 of the regular size stamp platforms and the travel stamp platform. That's how much I love the Ranger, the Tim Holtz stamp platform. All right, so although I believe this is new because it's black, but it's not the new design from Creativation, which I thought it was, and I should have paid more attention, especially because it's so expensive, but I just got too excited. I love that there's, in the new design anyways, there's that little rivet in there um, to make it easier to lift up. And then there was a couple other things that I really liked as well. Oh, the metal hinges. Yeah, so anyways, I got this Misti. I might keep it. I don't know. We'll see. And then I also decided to get the Creative Corners just because I find it hard when I'm stamping a larger stamp and I want to go off of the card panel. So these will make it really great to do that technique. And I think that is it. That's it, you guys. Let me know if you think I should just keep this one. I've never used a Misti. So if you have a Misti, let me know if you are planning on getting the new one, because if somebody already has the Misti, the old one, and is planning on getting the new one, then I might just give this away or something, because there's a reason why somebody is that already has the old Misti would be getting the new Misti, like, if that makes sense. Yeah, like, when you have a phone, like I just upgraded from the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 11, so having the newest, greatest, and latest isn't my number one priority. Like, if this will do the job, let me know. This is what I'm trying to say. All right, I am going to get to bed. I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy and sane in this social distancing, quarantine time that we are in. It's crazy. So, yeah, I hope you guys will join me Saturday at 8 a.m. Pacific time for another full day of live streams. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.